Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 4 says 5 times 2a plus 3b minus 4 times a minus b. So we're going to start with grouping symbols. 2a plus 3b, I can't add them, they're not like terms. a minus b, I can't add or subtract those, they're not like terms. There's no workable exponent. Let's check for multiplication and division. I do have that. Algebraic multiplication is the distributive property. And in fact, I have two distributive properties. So 5 times 2a would be 10a. 5 times 3b would be 15b. Negative 4 times a would be negative 4a. And negative 4 times negative b would be positive 4b. Now I'm going to add and subtract. Algebraic adding and subtraction is combining like terms. So I look for the same variables. 10a minus 4a. These are the same terms. 10a minus 4a is 6a. Then I'm going to look for the b's. Plus 15b and plus 4b would be plus 19b. So my answer would be 6a plus 19b.